Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Apify complete tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this video, we'll explore the basics of Apify, a cloud platform that empowers you to build and run web scrapers and automation tools quickly. Now, whether you're a data enthusiast, a researcher, or business professional, Apify offers a comprehensive set of tools for extracting, transforming, and analyzing data from the web. Now, to begin using Apify, the first thing that we need to do here is we need to create an account. So go to apify.com, and from here at the top right of your screen, you'd see a button that says sign up for free. Now from here we have two options to create our account. So we could actually create our account via Google or through GitHub or through the manual way here. So from here on, choose the option that suits you best. So in my case, I want to use my Google account. Now, once you've chosen the method that you want to basically sign up, it's going to ask you a few information about yourself. So that includes a full name, your username, and it's going to ask you, do you develop software? In this case, I want to answer yes here and just click on continue. Now, from here, it's going to redirect us into our dashboard. Now, optionally, if you want to learn more about Apify, you can go ahead and go through their tutorial here. But for now, let's go ahead and click on skip. So right now, we are redirected into the store section. So for now, let's go ahead and go to home. Now, in here, this is actually our dashboard. So this central hub allows us to manage web scraping and automation projects. So you can go ahead and monitor progress and access various tools and resources. The dashboard consists of two main sections, the left section, which is a navigation section, and the main section, which gives you details regarding that specific section that you chosen on the left section here. So the left navigation here provides a quick access to important tabs like home, store, actors, schedules, proxy settings, and billing. Now in the home tab, you get an overview of data usage, so recent actor and task runs, and scheduled events. The store tab lets you explore ready-made actors from the Apify store, which are categorized for different needs. Like for example, we have the categories for AI, automation, business, developer examples, developer tools, and a lot more. Now in this case, in this page here, you also have the option to search for very specific actors if you need it. Now moving on to schedule. This allows you to run actors and tasks at specific times using cron expressions. So this feature automates scrapping tasks at predefined intervals. The way for you to create a schedule here is just access the schedules here, and from here you can either click on the create schedule at the center here or the option to create at the top right here. Now for the actor tab here. So currently this is the central hub for running web scraping tasks, and you can use pre-built actors or build your own. So again, we have two options here. You could browse actors and store or build your own. So if you want to save on time, you can go ahead and choose the browse actors and store. But if you want to explore and study the platform, you could go ahead and click on build your own. The proxy tab leads you to the Apify's proxy service, so essential for web scraping. Now you can use residential or data center proxies to meet your needs. Now in this case, you'll be able to see the daily usage here, access domains, proxy groups, and if you want to learn more regarding this section here, just click on the links here that says learn more about Apify proxy, and you should be good. Now we also have the documentation sections, which actually offers you a quick way to access detailed information and guides for using Apify. So it serves as a valuable reference for understanding the platform's capabilities, which in this case would actually help you fully utilize what Apify can fully offer you. So now let's explore how to use Apify scrapers for web scraping. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to actors, and from here maybe we want to browse an actor and store. So let's go ahead and click on browse actors, and from here maybe we want to create a YouTube web scraper. So let's go ahead and just type in YouTube here and just press on enter, and as you can see, we now have the YouTube scraper. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, it's going to give us the options or the settings that we could change for our scraper. Now here we have our search term here. Like for example, if you want to change this one to another one, you could go ahead. So there are actually other settings that you can change here, like for example, the direct URLs, the scraping, subtitles, the filtering and sorting for search, which is and only. So you have sorting order here, date filter, video type filter, and length filter. Now you also have the channel video sorting and filtering, and we also have the run options as well. But once you're satisfied, what you need to do here is just click on the save and start here. And currently it's going to start running, and running the actor has now been started. Now once your actor has completed running, you'll be able to see your results here. So at this section here, when we go to runs here, you'll be able to preview your YouTube scraper here, and from here we have our output. Now if you want to export this result here, just click on the export 10 results at the bottom left section here, and from here you can go ahead and choose your format. So currently it has JSON, CSV, XML, Excel, HTML table, RSS, or JSON-L file here. Now from here you also have the option to select fields. So for example, you could go ahead and just select this one. Now here we have the option to omit fields if you want that, and advanced options if you want to include unwind, offset, limit, and other options here. Now from here, just click on download and you'll be able to download this specific output. So that's about it for now. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.